It's dancing like there's no way he could fall. The world he sees is empty after all. Free to follow my lead. Free to follow, but careful what you say. He's always watching every step I take, and mocking me with all of my charades. Free to follow my lead. And I meet him every day in quiet rooms that dim the light away. Find that he's got quite a lot to say. Free to follow my lead. Free to follow, and something in those words shine a light on all I've ever heard. And soon enough he's gone and filled the world. Free to follow my lead. Free to follow my shadow on the wall. It's dancing like there's no way he could fall.
Okay, nice.
The world he sees is empty after all. Free to follow my lead.
I hope that you enjoyed this episode. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to the Lazy Woman Diary, and I shall see you in my next adventure then. Bye bye.